car. We've gone and bought out an FTX DR8. This car is also sold under the name Reely Raptor or FS Atom 6S. This isn't really a new car by any shape, so it's been out for a while. I just missed it. Saw it on Tommy RC's video. I'll put a link to his video down below. I've always liked this style of car. The DBLXE2. The Super Rock Ray. The Lossy Tenacity. The Laser Nut. All these desert racers I really like, but the price and the size of them have put us off slightly just because I haven't got the room at the moment. This FTX DR8 is a 1/8 scale desert racer, 6S power, coming in at just £328. So let's open this car up and see what we're getting. In the box you also get your manual, how to drive it, all the parts, a bind plug, some XT90s to put on your batteries. That's quite a nice touch. And then we have the controller, all the controls you need under there, trims, throttles, end rates, reverses, and of course 4 AA batteries. Looking over the car, look at the styling of that. People inside, oh, some wires. We've got front LED, we've got a back LED. Nice tyres, oh, they are nice. And a full-size spare tyre. Don't like the look of that. It's like our rear diff's been leaking. Ugh, silicone all over the place. That is not a good start. Do have nice big bore shocks, super supple at the front and at the rear. Sway bars, 150 amp hobby wing ESC and a 2200 kV motor. Steering servo is a little bit light at 15 kilograms. Now watching other videos, including what Tommy said, there are a few weak spots on this car. So we have preempted that and gone out and bought some upgrades. So we bought the front aluminium chassis brace, the rear aluminium chassis brace, the rear hinge pin holder, and the front rear hinge pin holder. Let's get into it, see what's going on with that diff and get these upgrades fitted. I've just had a hell of a time getting these screws out because of the amount of thread lock they put on it. I've had to really heat that up. So it's not just Armour that put excessive amounts of thread lock on their cars. Oh, that is as dry as a Gobi Desert. Gasket was put in wrong. How it should have been put in was like that, so that that hole there lines up with this hole there. I couldn't find what weight diff oil to use, so I've just filled it up with some 300,000 CST. Well, we've got all the motor out and everything, we might as well change the chassis braces. There we go, front brace in, rear brace in, rear hinge pin mounts in, centre diff all tidied up, new oil put in. Another little mod I've done, because I wasn't keen on it only having sideways straps, I've actually added an Armour 6S strap lengthways, and then Dremel cut a slot each side there and there, slide it through. Bob's your uncle, centre strap. We've seen loads of people saying how tough these cars are. Well, we're going to put it to the hardcore RC test. You know what that means, don't you? It's time to get out there, unleash the boys onto it. Back it up, guys. Got Jack out with me. And we've got the new DR8. Just look at that.
Sexy car.
We've got the noisy nitros. Oh, they're all cheating. Some scratch. Oh, there's a nice scratch there from Jack. He's chasing down the Techno. Can the DR8 take the Techno? looks like he's on it, he's on it, he's on it. He's going to take down the Techno. Go on, Jack, take down that Techno. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, DR8 for the win. Oh my God, Jack with the DR8. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go. It's off for the Techno. He's still off for the Techno. Big send from Jack. He's caught the Techno up. He's taken the Techno. I'm super impressed with this little DR8. Jack is really driving the backside off of it. The steering, really. That was a big hit. Looks okay. FTX tough. So we've got some damage assessment, haven't we, Jack? What have you done?
Seems to have done something to the rear shock tower.
It's a little bit bendy-wendy there. Jack, what have you done?
Don't know. Look, it's got a brace there. It's so it don't bend anymore.
Jack broke it, so Jack's got to fix it. Some weight into it. Have you got the muscles? That'll do. Got a bit of splittage there. Time for some upgrades. Time for a little speed test.
Yeah.
See what the DR8 can do on grass. Cross there, Jack. Go. See if we can get it full tilt. Get that light back on so we're not jumping. Oh, yes.
What do you reckon? 50 miles an hour?
Well, 50 plus. 51. 51 on the grass. It's impressive. Jack, what are we doing now?
High tech.
How high do we think it's going to go? It's a desert racer, so who knows? How high do you reckon?
56 foot.
Big 10 from the next one. Or big 10 from that. See what the FTX DR8 can do. Wow. Oh, goes the GPS. Taking it good though. FTX tough. What do we get? 39? 39 feet. Went higher than that. You ready, Jack?
For what?
To send it.
Yeah!
It's in the hands of Jack. It's hitting the Mega Sense skate ramp. Will it survive? Oh, Jack on the full tilt. He's hit. Oh my God. Oh, it's a chassis slapper. Oh my God, guys. That absolutely went. Oh, he's got a flip. It's gonna hard. Oh, he's landed it.
Motor wire just came off.
Yeah. No, right, we'll get that plug back in. What are you going to do, Jack?
Send it!
Rear shock towers getting worse for wear. What are you going to do?
Finish it!
Front lights come disconnected, we don't care. Keep sending it! Oh, that hurt. Oh, I felt that one. Ooh, nasty. We've lost the front now. That's it. It's done.
What happened?
The inside of the shock's gone. Bosh. Chassis looks super straight. No bends in that.
Right.
What do you think then, Jack?
For the price of it, amazing.
You like that, don't you?
Taking it. Probably taking a beating.